Hi, today I'll be teaching you how to get basalt. So, it's not that hard. As you can see, I've already set up it and it's going and it's making me basalt. I'm not even touching my screen and it makes it. It's not very hard to make. All you need is to place, it can be any block, just place 3 by 3. And in the middle place soil. Then go 2 blocks up, and then in the middle place blue ice. Once you've done that, all you need to do is place lava around, like that. And then place the lava in the middle. There you go. You've got your basalt. But don't you want it to keep running while you're AFK or like building another build? Like, I'll show you in another video. I'll show you how to make this where it moves and you get a new armor stand every time. It's not hard. I'll show you that soon, but right now I'm showing you how to get this. After that, you just get a piston. Any piston. So piston. Then you go over here, crouch, then you break the basalt. If it respawns again, break it, and then you place a piston facing towards you. After that, you make a 3 by 3 platform. And then you put a redstone repeater facing up, and then you turn around, and then you place it the other way. Then you do 2 ticks, 1, 2, and 1, 2. And this is how it should look like. After you get redstone dust, place it on both sides, and then you're nearly done. After, you just do that, and place a redstone torch really fast and then break it. So like that. So then it should be ticking. After, you just go here, and there you go. You finished. Now it will automatically run. And, well, I did a more complex one, and I've got lots and lots of, mine goes a lot, but I will show you how to do this in another video. It's the exact same, just for some reason I've tried to make it work, but always the middle one doesn't work, so do the same thing, just leave the middle one. That's what I did to make mine go super long. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.